I have a new dump tank for your RVs or your trailers. This one is from Camco. If you are somebody who boondocks or you do a lot of remote camping and stuff, you can't easily take your trailer to go dump, you might want something like this. And this one is the larger 36 gallon. They also do have a smaller one. I think they have a couple smaller ones. As you can see, this one is on wheels. They do have another version as well that has 4 wheels. It's quite a bit more expensive, but you got 4 wheels, you got 2 in the front, along with a handle so you can steer it on the ground and everything. Now, another feature that this one has is that you can connect this to a hitch. So if you have something like a Gator, a golf cart, or something like that, that you can easily haul this to a local station that's like really close, like in a campground, whatever it might be, you can just put this on your hitch and you can easily pull that over there. And it does come with this attachment here as well. Also in the box, we do get one hose. You do have some caps. You have your piece of your hose that goes into the sewer or the septic drain. And then we do have our caps for the tank itself. It does come with an instruction manual. Also, you get a water hose. This is what you'll be using for like rinsing it out. Now this one, you're gonna find your discharge right here. So it's gonna be just like your RV unit. You're gonna be able to pull this and it's gonna empty out, no problem. And you just connect your hose to this and into your drain instead of your RV. And we do have a port up here. This is where you're going to be draining your RV into. And then we do have a couple plugs up here. This one is going to be where, so this one is going to be where you can hook up your hose and then you can spray water into the tank as you're emptying out and you can rinse it out and everything. And then you do have a vent cap here as well, which you can also connect the hose to. Now for just quick demonstration purposes, I will show you a quick demo using the gray tank. So we're gonna put that on there. This is not quite low enough either to do this one. I'd recommend to have this a little bit lower so we can get in there a little bit better. It's not gonna go in quite as easy with the going upwards. But let's go ahead just for the quick demo here. So we'll open up our gray tank, which nothing is coming out here. And then because I am on an elevation right now, it's not going to quite work. But if we get this a little bit lower, now you'll be able to see how the water will just flow right through. Now this will definitely work for a trailer that's a little bit taller, RV it's a little bit taller, but mine's pretty low right now and it's on a little bit of an incline. So it's not going to be the perfect demo right here. I'm just giving you an idea of how it works real quick. Another thing that you could do is you could also place this down on like a hill and then have it flow down there to it. Unhook everything, you put your cap on here so nothing will spill out everywhere in transport. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Now you can easily take this over to a dump station, whether you are towing it or maybe you're even pulling it if you're not going too far. Now keep in mind, it will get heavy, especially if you get this filled up. I only got about 4 or 5 gallons of gray water that I put in here for the demo. But if you fill this up, it's gonna get heavy. So keep that in mind. It's gonna be hard to pick it up and lift it into like the back of a truck or something unless you have help. Anyway, hopefully this quick demo gives you an idea what to expect with this. My only complaint is that if your trailer is really low like this, you're gonna struggle a little bit with it unless you can angle everything to work just a little bit better. Or maybe even there might be a hill that you're on and then this might work that way. Now, if you want something that's a little bit smaller, a little bit lower to the ground, made a little bit more for like the smaller ones, they do have smaller containers or smaller totes that you can get. There's like a 16 gallon, I think, or a 20 gallon. I can't remember exactly, but there's a couple different sizes. And you can always get that. It is a little bit lower to the ground and it's gonna fit under there a little bit better if you have a lower trailer. I'm just gonna have to use a hill or something when I dump this one. Anyway, I hope this gives you a good idea what to expect with this. If this is something that you'd like to get for your trailer or RV, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.